If I was to give an advice to most Swiss brands, it would be to hide your kids, hide your wives, cause Longines coming for you. This is the Longines annual calendar, a high horology watch with a not so high price tag. But first, what the heck is an annual calendar? A mechanical annual calendar is a feature in some mechanical watches that displays the date throughout the year and knows the different lengths of each month, except for February. Unlike a perpetual calendar, which also adjusts for leap years, an annual calendar requires manual correction once a year, only on March 1st. The watch contains a wheel with a specific profile for each month, which carries the information on how many days are in that month. As the wheel turns day by day, it progresses to a new position for a new month. The annual calendar is considered a complex feature and is often found in higher-end watch models. It baffles me how Longines are able to create watches that are so incredibly complicated, but at their price point. Let's just compare. Annual calendars from Patek Philippe can be purchased from around $41,000. An A. Lange & Söhne annual calendar starts at around $53,000. Even the Omega annual calendar starts at $13,000. Now, do you want to guess the price on this watch? Less than $3,500. Yes, you heard that right. This feat is impressive on its own, but as complicated as this watch is it worth it? The Longines annual calendar showcases a classic, timeless design that speaks to the brand's heritage and sophisticated elegance. The watch features a clean dial with painted numerals, and a perfectly polished case and a sapphire crystal. It embodies a blend of contemporary and vintage cues, remaining versatile enough to fit both formal and casual settings. Powered by the Longines L897.2 automatic movement, the Longines annual calendar is known for its reliable and precise timekeeping. It is a complicated movement as well as it is beautiful. Even though Longines use ETA-based movements, they are fully decorated up to the Longines logo on the rotor. And these calibers are used exclusively by the brand, so you won't see them in a Hamilton or a Mito. Longines use high-quality materials such as stainless steel for the case, which provides a robust foundation for the watch. Not only does this help the overall robustness of the watch, but its mirror polish makes this watch look much more expensive. The sapphire crystal, of course, is scratch resistant, protecting the dial. And you can have a choice of leather straps or a metal bracelet, which allows for personal styling. If you plan on buying this watch, I would advise on buying the stainless steel bracelet version, and then buying a bunch of straps to pair with it. Given the 20mm lugs, you have a complete array of watch straps you could choose. The Longines annual calendar is designed to be comfortable. The case is 39mm in diameter, so it's proportioned to fit a wide range of wrist sizes. It's lightweight enough for daily wear while maintaining a substantial presence on the wrist. Dial legibility is a strong point for the Longines annual calendar. With its straightforward layout, reading the time, date and month is intuitive. The watch hands and markers are typically designed to contrast against the dial, ensuring easy readability even in lower light conditions. As I always say when talking about Longines, it is the oldest brand still active in the world, so when we talk about brand heritage, there are few rivals. This watch is a testament to the incredible rise of the brand to compete above its weight class. Considering its Swiss pedigree, the annual calendar offers a lot of value. especially when compared against timepieces with similar features from higher-end luxury brands. I dare you to find a watch with the same complication and the same build quality, but with the same price tag. Impossible. In summary, Longines has come out swinging. They have put an amazing quality-filled timepiece, which in my opinion is elegant with a robust construction, but at the same time extremely beautiful. This watch knows no rivals, but those who add at least 3 more zeros to their price tag. If you want to buy a truly impressive watch without spending a lot of money, this is the watch.